Hi, hello, my dear competitive aspirants. So this is Venkanna. Welcome to VHL Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to calculate the 3 day strength, 7 days, and 28 days strength of cement mortar. All are knows that 28 days strength. If you take the 33 grade of the cement, so after 28 days of the curing is 33 megapascal. After 7 days, what is the strength? After 3 days, what is the strength? We will learn one by one now. Right? So before going to discuss this, so if you take the grades of the cement, for example, so 33 grade of cement, 33 grade of cement. For 33 grade cement, for 33 grade of the cement, after 28 days of the strength, so what is the crushing strength or compressive strength, right? So after 28 days of the strength, that is, so should not be less than 33 Newton per mm square. Should not be less than 33 Newton per mm square. It is written as megapascal also, right? So it is in megapascal. If you take a 43 grade of the cement, for 43 grade of cement, so what is the strength after 28 days of curing? After 28 days of curing, for 43 grade of cement is should not be less than 43 Newton per mm square, or so 43 megapascal. Alright, so if you take a 53 grade of the cement, for a 53 grade of the cement, after 28 days of curing, that is, should not be less than 53 megapascal or Newton per mm square. Should not be less than 53 Newton per mm square is the strength, maximum strength after 28 days of curing, right? So here, if the grades is increases, here, see here, if the grades is increases, that is from 33, 43 and 53. If the grades is increases, if the grades is increases, what happen here? If the grades is increases, strength also increases. See here, this is the strength, right? So 33 Newton per mm square, 43 Newton per mm square, and 53 Newton per mm square. If the grades is increases from 33 to 43, then 53, right? If the grades is increases, here the strength is increases. Strength is increases. If the strength is increases, and we discussed in earlier class, if the grades is increases, specific surface area also increases, right? Specific surface area also increases. So see here, this is very important for our competitive examination point of view. See here, if the grades is increases, if the grades of the cement, if the grades is increases, so size of particle, right? So size of the particles is decreases, right? If the grades is increases, size of the particles is decreases. Reason, in the olden days, after 1824, there is no technology, right? So nowadays the technology is develops for the crushing of the raw materials. We use robotic technology. That's why the size of the particles is very fine. Where the size is less, so strength is more, right? So here the grade is increases, so size of the particles is decreases. If the grade is increases, size of the particle is decreases. If the size of the particle is decreases, so strength is increases. If the size of the particle is decreases, so strength is increases, right? Where the strength is increases, so what happen? Shrinkage also increases. Where the strength is increases, and where the particle size is decreases, so shrinkage also increases. Shrinkage Alright, so shrinkage also increases. So shrinkage is increases, right? So where the shrinkage is increases, so specific surface area also increases. Specific surface area also increases, right? So this is very very important, my dear competitive aspirants, right? So this is very very important for your examination point of view, right? So this is the 33, 43 and 53 grade of the cement, right? So these are the crushing strength or compressive strength of cement mortar, right? So but this crushing strength, this should not be less than 33 Newton for mm square, and should not be less than 43 Newton for mm square, and should not be less than 53 Newton for mm square. So this strength is after 28 days of curing only. This is after 28 days of curing. After 28 days of curing. Alright, so for example, take this cement cube. This is the cement cube, right? So this is a cement cube. The dimension of this cement cube is 7.06 centimeters. 7.06 centimeters. So this is the cement cube. Right, so after making up this cement cube, so after 24 hours, demold the cube and take this cube in, and this cube is placed into the water. After 28 hours, so this cube is take this cube from water and take the compressive strength. This compressive strength is, if you take 33 grade of the cement, that is should not be less than 33 Newton for mm square. If you take 43 grade of the cement, should not be less than 43 Newton for mm square. If you take 53 grade of the cement, this cement, so take the compressive strength or crushing strength, that is should not be less than 53 Newton per mm square. But this strength is after 28 days of curing only. Remember, this strength is after 28 days of curing. But after 28 days of curing it is same as after 28 days of curing, right? So this after 28 days of curing, it is same as the grades of the cement only. But how to calculate the 3 days of strength and 7 days of strength based on this grade? For 33 grades, so what is the strength after 3 days? For 43 grades, what is the strength after 3 days? For 53 grades, what is the strength after 3 days? After 7 days, right? So we calculate one by one now. Right. So for 3 days, 7 days and 28 days of curing, so what is the strength? See here, if you take 28 days of curing, for 28 days, of curing, so what is the strength of cement mortar? For 28 days of curing, it is same as the grade of cement. It is same as the grade of cement. It is same as the grade of the cement. For example, if you take 33 grade of cement, the strength after 28 days is, we know this is should not be less than 33 megapascal or Newton per mm square, right? But if you take 43 grade of cement, for 43 grade of cement, it is same as the grade. That means it is should not be less than 43 Newton per mm square. And if you take 53 grade of the cement, for 53 grade of the cement, so what is the strength? So it is same as the grade, right? Same as the grade means it is should not be less than 53 megapascal. Right, so one more is after 3 days. So for 3 days, of curing, this meaning is for 3 days of curing or after 3 days of curing. So what is the strength? This is nearly half of the 28 days of curing. It is nearly the half of 28 days of the curing, right? So for 3 days is equal to It is nearly the half of 28 days of curing. Remember, my dear, right? So this is half of the 28 days of curing, right? And if you take the, so for 7 days, for 7 days curing, that means after 7 days, if you take the compressive strength of cement mortar, this is so 2/3 of this is equal to the 2/3 of 28 days of curing. Sorry, it is so 2/3 of 28 days of strength. It is 2/3 of 28 days, right? So this is the, so 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. So this is very, very important for our examination. This is very, very important. Remember, if you are so live as a civil engineer means you have to remember. So this is useful for your entire life also, right? So this is very, very important, right? So if you take the 33 grade of the cement, so what is the strength of 28 days? What is the strength so in 7 days and 33 grades? So we will see one by one, right? If you take a 33 grade of the cement, see for example, see the question, right? So see for example, if you take a 33 grade of the cement, if you take for example, so for 33 grade of cement, for 33 grade of cement, for 33 grade of cement, what is the strength? What is the strength? What is the strength? What is the strength in 7 days or in 3 days? 3 days, comma 7 days and 28 days. Right? So 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. But it is not in megapascal or Newton for mm square. It is in kg per centimeter square. It is in kg per centimeter square. Alright, so this is the question. How to calculate 3 days, 7 days and 28 days strength? Right, see here the solution is here if you calculate the 28 days strength for 28 days, right? So for 28 days it is same as the grade. It is same as the grade. Right? So it is same as the grades. That means so for 33 grade of the cement, it is 33 megapascal or Newton per mm square, right? 33 megapascal or Newton per mm square. But the examiner asked the so strength after 3 days, after 7 days and after 28 days of strength. It is not asked in megapascal. It is asked in kg per centimeter square. Please so observe this, right? So kg per centimeter square, right? So how this unit is convert into this megapascal is converted into kg per centimeter square, right? Remember this. 1 megapascal or 1 Newton per mm square. 1 megapascal is equal to 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 10.19716. 10.19716 kg per centimeter square. Right? So it is 1 megapascal or 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 10.19716 kg per centimeter square. We take approximately 10, right? So if you take the 10, this is 330 kg per centimeter square, my dear. Right? So this is the 28 days of strength. Next one is if you take a 3 days strength for 3 days, right? So what is the 3 days strength? How to calculate 3 days strength? It is nearly the half of the 28 days strength, right? So that means half of 28 days strength is 33 Newton per mm square. Alright, so 33 Newton per mm square means, so it is 16.5 Newton per mm square, but it is 165 kg per 165 kg per centimeter square. Right? If you convert it is kg, it is in kg per centimeter square means 165 kg per centimeter square. Right? So this is a 3 days strength. What about 7 days? For 7 days strength, for 7 days, right? So we know that is 2/3 of 28 days strength. 2/3 of 28 days strength. Right? So 2/3 of 28 days. Alright, see here. So 2/3 of 28 days. 2/3 into what is the 28 days strength? That is so 33 megapascal or Newton per mm square, right? So 33, that means 22 megapascal or Newton per mm square. But it is converted into kg per centimeter square. It is 220 kg per centimeter square. Remember this. This is very, very important. So 220 kg per centimeter square, right? So see here, for 33 grade of the cement, so for 28 days is same as the grade of the cement. It is equal to 33 Newton per mm square. It is 330 kg per centimeter square. For 3 days, it is 165 kg per centimeter square. For 7 days, it is 220 kg per centimeter square. This is for 33 grade of the cement. Right? So if you take so for 43 grade of the cement, right? So take the 43 and 53 also. Take the 43 and 53 grade of the cement also. Second example is for 43 grade of for 43 grade of the for 43 grade of right. So for 43 grade of cement, for 43 grade of the cement, right? So second example is for 43 grade of the cement, what is the strength? What is the strength in 3 days, 7 days and 28 days in kg per centimeter square, right? If you take the 43, so see here, if you take the 43, so the strength for 28 days strength is same as the grade of cement. That means it is so 43 Newton per mm square only. 43 Newton per mm square. Right? So 43 Newton per mm square or megapascal. Alright. 43 Newton per mm square. What? But so it is equal to 430 kg per centimeter square, right? Why it is kg? 430 kg per centimeter square? 1 Newton per mm square. 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 10.19716 kg per centimeter square, right? So it is 430 kg per centimeter square. If you take so 3 days, for 3 days, it is equal to, so for 3 days it is equal to half of, so 43. half of 43, right? So 21.5, right? So it is 21.5 Newton per mm square or megapascal, right? Newton per mm square or megapascal, right? It is equal to 215 kg per centimeter square. Just we convert this Newton per mm square into kg per centimeter square. That's it. This so 21.5 Newton per mm square. 1 Newton per mm square is nearly 10.19716 kg per centimeter square. We take only round figure, that is 10 only, right? That's why it is 215 kg per centimeter square. Kg per centimeter square, right? And if you take for 7 days, strength is nearly equal to 2/3 of 28 days. The 28 days is 43, right? So 2 1 ja, sorry, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja something, right? So 14 2 ja 28. It is 28.3 Newton per mm square. Right, so it is so 28.3 Newton per mm square. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 1 no, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja, okay, right. So it is 28.3 Newton per mm square. It is so 283 kg per centimeter square. Right, so 283 kg per centimeter square, right? So this is so 28 days, 3 days and 7 days of strength, right? So this is the strength for so 43 grade of the cement. But if you take the 53 grade of the cement, if you take a 53 grade of the cement, for 53 grade of the cement, for 53 grade of cement, for 53 grade of cement, what is the strength in 3 days, 7 days and 28 days of strength? See here, we know for 28 days curing, for 28 days curing, what is the strength? It is same as the grade, right? It is the same as the grade, that means 53 Newton per mm square or megapascal. It is equal to 530 kg per centimeter square. Clear? Right, so it is 530 kg per centimeter square. And if you take so for 3 days, for 3 days, it is nearly equal to the half of 28 days strength. The 28 days strength is 53 megapascal. Right, so 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12 and 5, right? So 26.5 Newton per mm square. The 3 days strength is 26.5 Newton per mm square. It is equal to 265 kg per centimeter square. Remember, my dear. Right, so this is the 265 kg per centimeter square. And one more is for 7 days. After 7 days of curing, so what is the strength? It is so nearly 2/3 of 28 days strength. The 28 days strength is 53 Newton per mm square, right? So 3 1 ja 23, 53. Alright, so 3 1 ja 3, 23, 7 and 6 7, right? So 2 sevens are 14. Right. So here, so it is 17.67, 17.672. Alright, so it is nearly equal to 35, so Newton per mm square or megapascal. Alright, so it is equal to 350 kg per centimeter square. Right, so these are the 3 days, 7 days and 28 days of strength. For 7 days, 3 days and 28 days strength, right? So calculate in this way only. So our topic is how to calculate 3 days, 7 days and 28 days strength of cement mortar. We know this is the cement cube, right? So this is the cement cube. So for preparation of this cement cube, so we take so fine aggregate, it is also called as the sand, right? Fine aggregate, it is also called as sand. So right, so take fine aggregate and the cement. So it is mixed with the water. So it become a paste. This paste is called as cement mortar, right? So this is the cement cube. The dimension of this cement cube is 7.06 into 7.06 into 7.06. This is the dimension of cement cube, and so this is the dimension of concrete cube. This is the dimension of concrete cube. The dimension of this concrete cube is 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter, right? So this is the concrete cube and this is the cement cube. See the difference. So this is 7.06 centimeter and this is 15 centimeter, right? So this is the cement cube and the concrete cube. Alright, so these are the 53, 33, 43 and 53 grade of the cement. So calculate the strength in 3 days, 7 days and 28 days of strength. But nowadays, which type of, that means which grade of the cement is used in the construction point of view? Right, so which grade of the cement is used for construction point of view, right? So which grade? Right, so 33 grade of the cement, 33 grade of cement cannot be used nowadays. Alright, so nowadays 33 grade of the cement cannot be used nowadays for all type of the construction. Reason, it is outdated. It is outdated. Alright, so it is outdated. That's why nowadays for all type of construction 33 grade of the cement so cannot be used in real practice, right? And so 43 grade of the cement, 43 grade of cement, 43 grade of the cement is used for, it is used for general constructions. Right, so it is used for general construction point of view. Which grade? 43 grade. Right, and so third one is 53, right? So this is a 53 grade of cement. 53 grade of cement is used for high strength concrete. High strength. Right, so what is the high strength concrete member? That is a PSC, pre-stressed concrete members. Right, so for the making of pre-stressed concrete, we use 53 grade of the cement. And one more is, in the 53 grade of the cement, one more grade is there, that is 53S. 53S, the letter S. Right, so 53S grade of the cement. It is used for making It is used for making railway sleepers. Railway sleepers. Alright. So for making up railway sleepers, we use 53S grade of the cement. But here, if you use 53 grade of the cement for general construction point of view also. But here one drawback is there. If you use 53 grade of the cement for general point of view, so shrinkage is occurs. Where the shrinkage is occurs, cracks is develops. Where the cracks is develops, load resisting capacity of the structural member is decreases. Where the load resisting capacity of structural member is decreases, so lifespan is decreases. Right? So finally, lifespan is decreases means no use, right? So that's why if you use a 53 grade of the cement for general construction point of view, use fly ash. That means in the 53 grade of the cement, use fly ash. Right? So what is the behavior of this fly ash in 53 grade of the cement? It reduce the shrinkage. It reduce the shrinkage, right? So this is the 33, 43 and 53 grade of the cement, and so calculate the strength in 3 days, 7 days and 28 days strength, right? So thank you for your nice cooperation.